Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 31. And here is our question, that is, write a Python program that reads a list of words from the user and print the list with each word reversed and with all consonant replaced by exclamation marks. So let's see how we can solve this question. So I have already commented the question. Let's write words equal to, words will be our variable, and we'll use the input function to ask the input from the user. Enter a list of words separated by spaces. Okay. Reverse and replace will be our variable, and we'll create an empty list. Okay. So now we have to define the vowels, right? Okay. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. I'm using uppercase and lowercase vowel here, and we'll use the for loop for word in words, and we'll create a result variable equal to, it will be an empty string. Okay. And now we are checking the condition that for character in word, if the character is vowel, it is added to the result string. Okay. Now we have to write the else condition for our consonant, because we want to replace the consonant with a exclamation mark. Result plus equal to, in quotes, we have to write the exclamation mark. Okay. So let's get out of the if else condition. So now we have done with the replaced word part of the program. Now let's start working on the reverse part. Okay. So we'll create a reverse word empty string. For I in range, we'll provide the length of results. Okay. The length of result -1 -1. Okay. We are defining the step argument here. It is determine the increment between the element in the range. Okay, in this case the step is -1, which means that the loop will decrement by 1 for each iteration. That's what we want. Like, we want to reverse the word, we want to reverse the string, right? Now let's write reverse word equal to reverse word plus result of I. Now we have to append our reverse word in our reversed and replaced list. Reverse word. Okay, let's get out of the for loop, and we have to print reversed and replaced words, and we have to write the reverse and replaced list. Okay, our variable name. Okay, so what we are doing, we are first asking the user for an input, okay, with the help of the input function. After that, we have created this reversed and replaced list. Okay, wait a second, I have missed this dot split method, because we want to split the words. Okay, and we have defined the vowels here. Okay, so this line start a for loop that iterates through each word in the words. Okay, after that we have created this empty string, that is result. This line start a nested for loop that iterates through each character in a current word. And here we are checking the condition. If character is a vowel, we have to add that word to the result string. Okay, here. Else, we have to replace the character with the exclamation mark, like we are replacing consonant basically. And here we are initializing an empty string, that is reverse word. And this line start a for loop that iterates backwards through the character in a result string. This line adds each character in a result to reverse word in reverse order. And at this line, we are adding our reversed and replaced word to the reversed and replaced list. And here we are simply printing that reversed and replaced variable. Okay, so let's run the code. We'll write hello to check if our word is reversing or not. O-L-L-E-H. Okay, great, it is working. It is a reverse word and it is replacing the consonant with an exclamation mark. Cool. Let's write dark shadow. Okay, K-R-A-D. Okay, W-O DAHS. Okay, that is cool. It is working. So this is how you can create a simple program that prints the list with each word reversed and with all consonant replaced by an exclamation mark. Just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.